Here is something I have seen happen over and over again in this industry. A shop goes quiet. The customer gets anxious. They call, they do not get a clear answer, and suddenly a straightforward repair situation has turned into a tense, uncomfortable experience, even if the actual work is going fine. Silence creates problems that the repair itself never caused. Hi, I'm Tom from Arts Auto Body and Paint in Pomona, and today I want to talk about something that is simpler than most people think: the value of just keeping people informed. When a customer does not hear from a shop, their mind fills in the blanks, and usually it fills them in with concern. Is something wrong? Did they find more damage? Is the cost going up? Is the car going to be ready when they need it? Why has nobody called? None of those questions have to exist if the shop communicates clearly and consistently. One proactive call or message can prevent hours of customer anxiety. It costs almost nothing on the shop side, but it means everything to the person waiting. Here is another thing that happens when shops go silent. Customers lose confidence. Even if the repair is progressing exactly as planned, the absence of communication signals something. It signals that the shop is not thinking about the customer, that the customer is not a priority, that once the car is dropped off, the relationship is on hold until the keys are exchanged. That impression is hard to undo, even with a perfect finished product. Contrast that with a shop that calls at each milestone. Parts arrived, repair is underway, painting today, ready tomorrow. Each of those touches takes very little time, but together they build something that is hard to put a price on: a customer who feels taken care of. That customer comes back. They refer their family and friends. They leave a review that reflects the full experience, not just the final result. At Arts Auto Body and Paint, we have seen how much communication matters in this business. Not just for customers' peace of mind, though that matters enormously, but for the kind of relationships that make a local shop a trusted institution in the community. Silence is easy to fall into. Staying in touch takes intention. We choose the second one. If you want a shop that treats communication as part of the service, not an afterthought, come see us at Arts Auto Body and Paint in Pomona. Call 909-620-5464 or visit artsautobodyandpaint.com for a free estimate.